If you were selected to receive this video today, it means that your guardian angels have a very important message for you. Your higher self has a game-changing message. First, you must activate higher spiritual powers. The angels say you have a secret guardian angel. This spiritual deity has been with you since birth. This guardian spirit has watched you, stood over you, and supported you throughout your entire life. They've been a secret helper, a watch person to your entire life's trajectory. You have a real-life guardian angel. They've seen you in your darkest moments, and they celebrated your greatest wins. They've sent you feathers and other signs to show you are protected spiritually. Your life is always blessed, which means your divine sacred vessel is protected. You have been through many trials and tribulations, many levels and games created by the divine. Your life hasn't been easy, but this is because you have a higher mission. You face demons, real-life demons in this life. You've encountered lost and dark souls that many people would be scared of. These are the sorts of people whose fate is to end up in jail or in a prison cell, or be convicted due to antisocial and criminal activity. They are immoral. Unlike you, I repeat, your higher self has a game-changing message. First, you must activate higher spiritual powers. When you start to activate higher spiritual powers, you start to see how the characters you've met before haven't been good for you. You should be receiving visuals and visions, glimpses into your future from your higher self. Awakening, psychic, spiritual, and higher gifts equally activate buried memories. Not all memories are pleasant. Some memories are negative, reminding us of how poorly we were treated. A higher self awakening is something that has both its part positives and negatives. Negatively, it awakens deeper memories of experiences that destroyed us. These experiences were horrible, soul-destroying, and painful events and encounters. People can be mean-spirited, barbaric, and unkind to the extreme. Not everyone is righteous or pure. Not everyone is kind or angelic. Many people lack integrity, and through past innocence and potentially naivety, you become attached to certain illusions. These were false stories created by others to keep you bound to their drama and addictions. Still exploring the bad memories, being in spiritual darkness kept you in darkness in many other life areas too. You failed to see red flags when meeting new people. Why? Because you were used to bad behavior and antics from others. You hadn't healed from past events properly. Certain things that were not acceptable became normalized as a result of this psychic attack. Uncool behavior and unkindness from others. Your third eye became polluted. You unconsciously turned off your inner light. Your higher mind was replaced by your lower mind. You likely started to see demons and darkness everywhere, only seeing the worst in people, while others were integrating their dualistic qualities, interacting with their social and friendship circles, and finding their communities. You were withdrawn and isolated. You fell into a polarity, or you became scared of the world. The angels observed your social anxiety. They watched how you closed yourself off to new experiences, joy, and fun. You thought you could heal by doing it alone, by going within to cut ties with the people who caused you pain. You didn't realize that you would achieve quicker and greater healing through becoming more social. A leap of faith was required, but she went the opposite route. The road less traveled is a chapter, not a lifestyle choice. Get supposed to be embarked on to find yourself, not to fall deeper and deeper into isolation or loneliness. The purpose is to come out with more light, wisdom, happiness, understanding, and thus these bad experiences with unsavory characters turned your beliefs pessimistic. You became negative and pessimistic in your view of others and the world around you. As a result, your higher self got muddied, polluted with impurities. People may have sent you psychic attacks. You may have mistaken enemies for friends, and your third eye decreased in power. To journey back up into the light, you must work through your shadows. Your guardian angel wants you to know that they still see some trauma in you, whether minor or major. They sense unhealed wounds on a real and ancestral level. Negative memories that are perpetuating pain are stopping you from living in your higher mind. You have so much wisdom and intuitive power. However, it's being masked by pain. Reliving painful memories isn't great for your mental, emotional, all spiritual health. Your well-being suffers when you stay stuck in the past, as does your psychic abilities. A direct link to your higher self needs to be maintained for self-mastery, enlightenment, and spiritual evolution. This can't happen when you're playing out your root chakra, which is the seat of survival, security, and learning and transformation. Spark, however, holding on to traumatic memories, and emotions prevents higher passionate and insightful energies from flowing, so you remain in your root chakra as opposed to allowing your life force to move up to your crown. Positively, you are aware of this current cycle being a learning one. Healing is occurring on a deep and cellular level. Blocks will instantly be removed the more you work through your possessiveness, like your inability to let go. Wallowing in pain, regret, or self-pity is not something you were destined for. Your life path is intrinsically connected to your ability to rise up from the depths of your shadows, falls, and failures and step into your higher self. Accepting the things you cannot change is the first step, while choosing joy, happiness, and prosperity is the second. Contemplate, explore, and reflect on your pain. Use discernment and higher sightseeing when examining the bad characters you have crossed, then transmute evil and suffering into wisdom and light. It all begins with a shift in perspective. I want to end with a prayer for you. Lord, guide them on their journey to activate higher spiritual powers and connect with their guardian angel. Cramp them the strength to release the weight of past pain, allowing their higher self to shine brightly. Help them see the world with renewed positivity and compassion. May they feel the love and protection of the universe. Amen. Take a moment to allow all these words to resonate with your spirit. Remember, you are loved and protected by the universe. Type 444 to claim this message and the blessings inside for your own. Try and leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a positivity boost in their day. The universe sees it as an act of kindness that fuels the cycle of good karma. You'll be spreading positivity and receiving the universe's blessings in return. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. I also want to pass on a time sensitive message from the moon to you, and you need to hear it today. A subtle yet powerful energy will push you to make a critical decision by the end of the week. You won't find the answer in your horoscope, so don't bother looking there. Click the link in the description to see your free personalized video moon reading. I was amazed at how accurate my reading was, and I know you will feel the same. An important message is waiting for you in the next video. Will you hear it?